Alright, here we go guys. Let's go ahead and start up on the left side. Let's see what we can pull. Oh, there we go. Try to be as gentle as I can with these packs, but sometimes you just gotta do a little manhandling. Okay, some Guardian cards. Pretty cool. All I need is the other two Blue Eyes cards. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Nope. Okay. Nothing so far. Alright. Oh. Hit the camera. Sorry. Some other Nordic cards. Alright. About halfway through. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Oh, Dictator of D. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay. So now we have two of the Blue Eyes support cards. Let's see if we can actually pull the Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. Ugh. Messed that one up. Nordic Relic. Alright, down to the last three. Tamaya's the United Dragon. Okay, okay. I'll take that. Alright, very last pack. I don't think I'm gonna pull anything. Come on, doubt myself so I can get something good. Yep. Well, that's all I pulled. Not too bad. Definitely gonna go ahead and price some of these cards out, and if you want, check out my Instagram page, Dueling with the Greatest, and if anything's there that you're interested in, go ahead and give me a DM or give me a shout out. Alright, you guys, have a great one. Thank you for tuning in with the greatest.